Yeah, it's your boy Dubs Daily, man. For the first time ever, we're in my garage. But yeah, anyways, that was irrelevant. You guys didn't see in the background as I was talking. Getting these fenders painted today, man. Shit, because I recently painted the hood. If you guys follow me on IG, you guys would see what I've done with my hood. You know, sanded it, bondo, or removed some rust so I had to bondo some certain areas, sanded, primer, painted. All of that did myself. I didn't put it up on YouTube, but I did do it myself, and those videos are up on Instagram. So if you guys missed that, it was on Instagram, and you shouldn't miss it because you guys should be following me, right? The link is in the description box. I'm letting you guys know from now. It's in there. I know because they're ashy, bro, but I don't care right now. Anyways, these fenders been black for the hot minute, but I was contemplating on painting it or leaving it like this and getting the hood same color, but I ended up painting this, and now that this is clock, this is more like a, now that that's gloss, this is more like a matte blackish. So now I gotta, I have to match it. It's gonna look stupid. It's been looking stupid since I did the hood, and that's the only thing that's been bothering me. But anyways, long talking, gonna get that painted today. Don't mind my masking job. It's my first time masking shit. It looks like garbage. I use my mom's bags, and if she sees it, she's probably gonna kill me, but I'll buy back the bags. Didn't really mask the wheel properly because I don't care. I'm gonna be getting these off soon, and they're never coming back. So anyways, yeah, let's just get it started, bro. So first things first, I'm just gonna go over the fender. I'm gonna scuff it with some 600 grit sandpaper. Got that right here. I'm gonna go over it, just scuff it up a bit, and then wipe it down with some soap and water to clean it off. And then I'm going straight to the primer stage. Alright, so there you go. Got both fenders sanded, wiped down to the cleaned up. Waiting for it to dry off a little bit. And then I'm gonna be getting the primering it, and then sanding that down with 600 or 800 grit sandpaper. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do another coat. I might, depending on how full the coat looks, the first coat. But I might do 2 coats, might just do 1. But yeah, gonna be primer, sanding that down, wipe it down, let it dry off and all that stuff, and then just gonna be applying the paint. I don't have proper masks right now for painting specifically. Again, as you guys probably saw in my last video, I still need to get one. Honestly, I should invest in that, but mask up. You don't want the fumes to kick your ass. All right. Primer's been added. I am by no means a professional painter. Let's just get that out of the way. Yeah, it is very splotchy. Not gonna lie to you, it looks like dog shit. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I'm by no means a professional painter. Like, it looks okay, and then it just goes like, eh. But anyways, I think the outcome will be decent. Just like the hood came out. The hood came out pretty good. I'll show you guys. Oh, I can see I can't right now. Random storm. Luckily, I did start this inside. I think it'll still have a decent outcome, but let's just wait for this to dry so I could get the sandpaper, sand that down. Wet sanded, actually. I'm gonna be wet sanding it with 600 or 800, as I stated earlier. 600 or 800 grit wet sand. Get it smoothed out, and I don't know if it's gonna need another coat. We'll see. And then the paint will be ready to be applied. As I'm waiting for it to dry, the rain's just going too heavy, and I don't really want to run back in my garage right now, to be honest. I'm not really about it, but I might have to. Alright, I made it. I'm here. It's dry. Time for the wet sand. There you go. I got it wet sanded. Wipe down. It's just drying off right now, but it's not as splotchy as it was before. It's only because you see, like, some parts are still wet, some parts are still dry. Same thing here. It's just drying up right now, and the next step is going to be painting. Again, you guys should know this. Well, I used it on my hood and other things. We going with it again, man. I like how it turns out. I need to get this cleaned, but in my opinion, like, I need to get it cleaned still. Yeah. But anyways, Rust-Oleum glass black. You know the vibes, man. I might need to get another container or another can. Sorry, another can, not container. Might need to get another can because I don't think one is going to be enough, especially with the amount of coats that I have to apply, 2 or 3 or whatever. So while this is going to dry off completely, I'm going to go and get another can. So I'll see you guys shortly. So of course it took longer than expected. You go on the road for one thing and you know, your mom calls you and then you end up getting 50 things, but that's how it goes, right? But anyways, back, it's dried, smooth now. Yeah, I might give it one extra wipe down just before I start applying paint, just to get rid of any dust or anything else sitting during my time gone. But yeah, I'm gonna give it one more wipe down and then I'm gonna be starting to apply the paint. There you go, I got all 3 coats applied. Doesn't look too bad in my opinion, to be honest. It actually came out better than when I did the hood job. I don't know if it's because it's like maybe different metal materials, I don't know, but this one is actually reflecting a lot more than the hood did initially. But this doesn't look too bad. I can see some imperfections where I went too heavy, so you see it starts to run in areas like there, and a few more you can see there. But of course from afar, not really that noticeable. No, doesn't look too bad. I could have done slightly better, but I'm not really tripping about it. I'm not a professional painter. It doesn't look too bad, but I'll just know for next time my do's and don'ts. And here's the other side. Same thing, pretty much. Honestly, did turn out pretty good, except the imperfections. It went too heavy again. Yeah, it's a little bit worse on the driver's side, to be honest. Yeah, but again, not a professional painter. If it was someone else's car, I'd be freaking out. I'd be like, ah, no! You know, but I'm not, so. Anyways, too much talking. Gonna give that time to dry, and then once it dries, gonna be applying the clear coat. Let the clear coat sit for 24 hours, make it cure completely, and then, shit, I'll be able to remove all this and buy my mom some new bags. All right. It's all dried up now. Time to apply the clear coat. Again, we're going with Rust-Oleum 2K clear. Alright, let's get over here. English only, man. Come on. Alright, let's go. Clear coat applied. She's sitting now. Gonna be sitting for the next 24 hours-ish until she's fully cured. Then we'll be back on roads. All right. So here we are, 24 hours later. Fenders are cured, and honestly, doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Don't mind the hood. It's dirty. I'm gonna give this car a complete wash off later, but driver's side fender, not too bad. But honestly, these runs are bothering me now more than they were when I first pointed them out. So I will be taking care of them. Probably not in a YouTube video though. I'm gonna be posting it most likely as a reel. You know, you show you guys the process. Post it as a reel on my Instagram. So if you guys do want to see that, follow me on IG. The link is in the description. Just hit it, press follow. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking care of these, but overall, look at it from afar, certain angles, not really gonna see it. Doesn't look too bad, right? Driver side fender, passenger side fender, not too bad. But yeah, also gonna be running no grill for a little bit. Stay tuned. That's all I'm gonna say. Stay tuned. Yeah, and that's it for this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share. You guys know the vibes, man. Follow me on IG, Mk5. You know the vibes. I'm at 1.2K now. Let's get me to 1.3. Roll to 4. Whoa, I can't count. Roll to 3K. Road to 2K. What am I saying? Yeah, just stay tuned. I got more videos. Trust me, I got more videos coming for you. There's gonna be like maybe a few more within the next week or two. No more than I've pushed out lately. So yeah, stay tuned, man. All right.